Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI IgG CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe. Here product name MAGLUMI IgG CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 25.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml AB label, 26 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit is 130258005M. Here we can see the manufacturing address also. This kit is manufacturing from China. So the origin of the kit is China. Here we can see the manufacturing address clearly. One instruction manual is there. We can store away from direct sunlight. You should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. We can do 100 tests using this reagent. This is a C certificate IVD product. This is the overall view of this product. On the side we can see the product name MAGLUMI IgG, reference number 130258005M. On the side we can see the brand name Snibe. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe. We already seen this side. This is the overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, here we can see clearly the control solutions and instruction manual is there. Also reagent is there. I'm going to take this one by one for your reference. After opening, the first one is instruction manual Snibe MAGLUMI IgG CLIA. Reference number of this kit is 130258005M, 100 tests per kit. Here we can see intent use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability. So these are the stuff inside this reagent kit, instruction manual. So I'm going to keep this aside. The next one is a reagent seal, total of 3 nozzles. Here we can see the IgG MAGLUMI reagent seal. And next one is a QC certificated product by Snibe. And the next one is a control stickers, IgG control 1 for 4 nozzles and IgG control 2 for 4 nozzles, total of 8 nozzles. The next one is a control solutions. It is packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, we can see clearly the control solutions. I am going to take this one out. MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, IgG CLIA, urine control 1. The next one is MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, IgG CLIA, lead control 2. These are 2 control solutions. The final one is a reagent kit. A MAGLUMI IgG CLIA contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 25.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml AB label, 26 ml dilute. This is a front view. So top it is well packed and sealed. On back side we can see the reagents and solutions. This is overall view. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI IgG CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, a reagent seal 3 nozzles, a QC certificate, control stickers for both control 1 and control 2. These are the control solutions. Both are volume of 1 ml. And this is a reagent pack. This reagent contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 25.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml AB label and 26 ml dilute. This is the overall view of this product. Thank you.